Hi everyone, this video is about how to make a clay pinch pot. So our clay is in a nice ball. We're going to take our thumb and press it into the middle. Now you don't want to go through to the other side, so it's down there, and then we're going to begin pinching and turning. So pinch and turn, and what I'm doing is just pinching the sides like this. So pinch and turn, pinch and turn, pinch and turn, and when the hole is big enough, I can get both thumbs in there, just pinching and turning. Now you're going to notice that my clay is cracking a bit, and that's because this clay is a little dry, but I'll show you how to take care of it. Now, so the pinch pot is mostly done. I'm just going to tap it flat, and I'm going to continue going around, but this is what we call the wall, and we don't want the wall to be too thick or too thin. So now I'm just going to press on the wall of the pinch pot to make it a bit thinner. I'll take care of these cracks after. And now I'm pinching the bottom. This is kind of hard to see, and it goes by feel, but the bottom of my pinch pot should not be too thick either, and that feels pretty good. I can come by and check yours for you. Alright, so my pinch pot is pretty much done, but like I said, this clay was a little bit dry, and I want to show you what I'll do. I'm just going to wet my finger a bit, and I'm going to kind of mend that. So I'm kind of just rubbing the clay together to mend it, and any other cracks I might see. Now the secret is you don't want to have your finger too wet, just enough. And this takes time. All right. Now once I am happy with my pinch pot, I can just gently tap the bottom so it sits nice and flat. And I can once again maybe gently flatten out the top part. And voila, you have your pinch pot.